Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. We're going to be looking at converting a image sequence into a movie format using Adobe Media Encoder. I'm just going to go open up my File Explorer here and I'm going to show you the image sequence that we're going to use to convert into a movie format. So it's from the last rendering that we've done. There's 132 images. So if you go up to File, add a source, you want to be clicking the first image. Just scroll down to the last one, hold your finger down on shift and click until everything is selected. Alright, just scrolling through it so you can see that everything's selected. Now go ahead and hit open. Now what you should see is just one single format. If you see multiple ones, you'll need to go back and change and redo your sequence again. We're going to be using the H.264 format today. That's the MP4 file, but you can also use QuickTime, which is an MOV. Now if you click on match a high bit rate, you'll have a few other options in the format to compress it. But we're just going to be using the matching the high bit rate. So we're going to go out to the output name. I'm just going to go ahead and change that name. Call it whatever you want. Alright, just check the format. It's MP4. Press OK. Just double check that everything is right and the extension is going to save in the right place. Hit the little green play button. Alright, now we can just see a little green tick, means it's all complete. Go check the folder. You should have one extra file there. Now that should be a MP4 file because we've chosen the H.264. Double click on it just to show you guys that it plays like a movie. And there it is. This was a nice, quick, easy tutorial for you all. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.